This is the 42 by 26 T-barn, drop-down barn. Size can be adjusted as far as the center width. Center width usually runs 18, 12, and 12 as far as the lean-tos, 12 foot apiece. You can make it any size in the middle. 24 is common, 24 and 12 make you a 48 wide. The depth goes in 5 foot increments as far as the poles. The poles are only usually 5 foot centers, and the depth goes in 5 foot lengths as far as if you wanted to add an addition to it. You can go up to 40 foot in a horizontal roof in one panel without having a seam. Or you can do the vertical. The vertical is just an extra charge because of the purlins that have to be put on the building. Everything as far as the tubing goes, a 20-year rust-through warranty. The metal, the same as far as 20-year metal. We also offer a 40-year metal. Color match screws also instead of the silver screws. We also have the option of doing a 16-foot lean-to. Difference in price depending on length. Like a 26-foot carport, the difference to go from 12 to a 16-foot lean-to is only $100. So it's a good option to think about if you have the room. The T-barn basically is a lot of times on farms, farm equipment, implements. We do it all kind of different ways as far as you can see how we have it here on the lot. At Carport Empire, we have a truck sitting here with some of our 2-bys for setup on some of the other buildings, but possibilities is you can put basically anything under this building as far as cars, trucks, boats, camper in the middle. I've seen it closed in on one side with a shop on one side, a cookhouse. There's so many different options, but basically however you want to utilize it, it can be used. Horse barn, rough cut timbers, screwed straight to the metal with maybe a post. Making stalls just to separate horses. I've seen it I've done a 40 wide, made an 8 stall horse barn out of it. So it just depends on what you're actually looking for as far as utilization. At Carport Empire, we offer many different shapes. This is one of our lean-to style buildings, or it just shows the option of the lean-to. This one is 18 by 26 enclosed with a 10 by 8 roll-up door on a slab. Lean-to is 12 by 26. Has the horizontal roof. Again, that option I will get to later as far as vertical and horizontal to show you the difference. This actual unit here is very popular. You can put a lean-to on either side of the building. It doesn't have to be just one side. Again, the option of the 16-foot lean-to for $100 more is another option to think about on this one. Same options as far as metal, colors, whatever color you want. We also offer the galvalume as well as the reds, the greens, the ivories, the tans, the whites, the grays, whatever you want, green. Any of the buildings are anchored to that actually have a slab. Do not need J-bolts. What we do is we anchor down we drill down through the slab and anchor the building to the slab with a spread anchor or a red head.